Dear students, in this unit we will talk about one of the most important and successful phylum, Phylum Chordata. Now, as we know that all human beings and other animals and birds which you can see around you, they belong to Phylum Chordata. This Phylum Chordata is very diverse phylum and it contains more than 43,000 living species. When we talk about this Phylum Chordata, it has three subphyla, the vertebrata and two invertebrate phyla, which is called urochordates and cephalochordates. The most distinguishing character that all animals belong to this phylum, they have presence of notochord and a dorsal hollow nerve cord is also present in their body. Now, when we talk about the digestive tube, it extends from the mouth to the anus. They have a very well developed digestive tube. Then they also have paired pharyngeal gill slits, which also exist in their during their life cycle in any form on their body. Then they also have triproblastic animals, means they have three-layered body, and then they also have bilaterally symmetrical body, which means that the right side of the body is just like the left side of their body. When we talk about the different examples, you can see the fish, tree frog, these are all part of this phylum Chordata. They are coelomate organisms, which means that they have true body cavity. Then their nervous system is dorsal, hollow, and it is a single nervous system. Then their circulatory system is also very well developed, and it's a closed type circulatory system, which means that the blood stays inside the blood veins. Now, when we talk about three different groups of this phylum, there are three subphyla: urochordates, which are also called as tunicates. Then we have cephalochordates, they are also called lanceolates, and then vertebrates, one of the largest one with the presence of vertebral column. Now, urochordates, the adults, they are normally fixed to a substratum and spend their life there. They are also called as tunicates because their body, the body of the adult organism, is enclosed within a tunic, which is made up of cellulose-like substance, which is also called tunicin. When we talk about the other subphylum, cephalochordata, in cephalochordata, atrium is present, and tail is also present throughout their life. Then they also show a progressive metamorphosis, which means that there is a change in their shape during their life cycle. Then the notochord is also present in cephalochordata, and it stays throughout their life. When we talk about the last and the most advanced subphylum, vertebrata, it is the advanced chordata, and they have cranium around the brain, which protects them. Cranium or skull on the head protects their nervous system. Then their notochord is replaced by a rigid vertebral column in adults. Then that's why it is called that all vertebrates, they are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. They express a high degree of cephalization. When we talk about the vertebrates, their epidermis is multi-layered, it's a specialized one. They also consist of three types of muscles they have in their body. This is called stripped, unstripped, and cardiac muscles. So these are some of the different type of characteristics which each subphylum of Phylum Chordata possesses.